how to use your indent. It is found on paragraph option. You highlight the text in the normal way of placing your letter address outside the block pattern. You use that increasing indent, or you use your tab. So you click, you come to home, you see here increase indent, you click 2 3 4 5 6 7. I believe it's okay based on the length of these characters. Assuming it above, you can see. So you go back, decrease indent to achieve that. So you can also use your tab at the keyboard. You can see it's moving. I'm using tab key. Remember tab key. So you have placed the address in order, so you can continue with your right top. So you click for your title. You know this have to be at the center if there is need for title. So if there is no need for title, you can go on and explain your title in your first paragraph, or however you wish, and based on contemporary letter format.